Do you have a scanned document that needs a modification? Or are you looking for Modify Scanned Document Text Online? Then you're in the right place. Welcome to Nur Digital Agency. We provide a high-quality Modify Scanned Document Text service with 100% accuracy. No matter what your document's format is, either it is a PDF, PNG, JPG, or any other formats, we can modify it as your needs with 100% accuracy. Scanned document is basically an image of a document. Many AI tools and modern PDF editors can't edit a scanned document. They can't match the original font sometimes and ruins the background. That makes the document looks unprofessional. In Nur Digital Agency, we use a 100% manual tools to modify scanned document text for pixel-perfect result. We provide a 100% font matching guarantee. Also, we use all the necessary effects like blur, noise, shadows, and other effects to looks the document original. We keep the background texture as same as the old document to give a professional look. Our Modify Scanned Document Text service is very reliable and fast. So why wait? If you also have a scanned document that needs a modification, contact Nur Digital Agency. We do what AI can't. Visit our website, tunur.com, or you can contact us directly via WhatsApp and Telegram.